everybody, my name is Khánh. I'm in class 4A1 TNAN Primary School. Today I'm telling you a story, Beach Day Birthday by Sandy Blatt. It's Oliver's birthday, his favorite day of the year. To celebrate, he invited his friend to the lake. There are no place I'd rather be on my birthday than the beach, Oliver stated. It took a long time to get there, but they arrived at last. Let's spread out the blanket and put on sunblock, Olo said. Then jump into the beautiful blue water, Sandy added. A flying Pep let it out. This lake is amazing, Rhea exclaimed. The water feels great on this hot day, Cody agreed. It would be better if we calmed that lady and slid down the slide. As soon as they left the water, Cody had an idea. She took a ball from her bag. Let's play beach volleyball, Cody said. Then after frisbee, we can do a frisbee back and forth, Ola said. The more games, the better, Cody replied. After frisbee, they all building their feet in the sand. This nice and relaxing, Rhea told them. I'm ready to building the sand castle now. Let's begin to working on it, Ola replied. It was starting to get late, but they arrived. It's starting to get late, and Ola and his friend were feeling tired and a little lazy. It's time to go home now, Peg asked. Not yet, Sandy told them. We have something very important to do before we leave. What is in the box? Asked Rhea. It's Ola's birthday cake, Sandy asked. What a nice surprise, Ola exclaimed. I love cake, especially when it's for my birthday. Ola took a deep breath and blew out the candle. What did you wish for, Peg asked. I wish that my next birthday would be a blast too, Ola replied.